Okay, so today class we are going to continue read from this fifth consonant from the single consonants. Yeah, and if we have a chance, we're going to dealing with several more vowels as well. Yeah, okay. But I would like to ask to Sarah. Sarah, do you remember how to make a pronunciation for those four consonants? Yeah, when you're ready, try to make it.
Yeah, the first one would be like a G.
G. Very good.
The second one like an N.
Mhm,
The third one a D.
mhm.
And the fourth one like between an R and L.
Exactly. Something that familiar what we learned from the semantics, not the semantics, sorry, ponem, yeah, from the IPA chart, yeah. This is a Korean version, by the way, yeah. So yeah, just reminding one more time, yeah. So about the consonant, like this shape of the consonant, when you're trying to make a sounds, use the tip of the tongue, scratch down a teach and the teach on the behind of the top tooth. Okay, so that was it. And what about the vowel, Sarah? What was the sounds of this one?
It was A.
Ah, exactly. Very good. Very good. Yeah. So let's combine those consonants with this vowel. So I want Andrea try to make a sound for those four syllable. Andy?
Um, I still don't know the sounds.
Ah, this is your first time to joining, was it?
I joined like the first, less than the first half of the last class because
Ah,
I was not in my house.
okay,
I
okay, no
couldn't join
problem.
for the whole class.
No problem, no problem. Okay, yeah. Okay, what about the, yes, Sarah, then can you able to read it? Mhm.
Me?
Yes,
Oh,
Sarah.
okay. Is ga, na, da, and la.
Exactly, perfect, perfect. That was a perfect pronunciation, exactly. Maybe the another Sarah, Sarah one, would you like to give it a shot, make a pronunciation for those four syllable? I'm talking to Sarah again.
What? I'm sorry.
Yes, would you like to make a pronunciation for those four syllable?
I don't know because I just
No
entered to
problem.
the session and I
Yes,
let
yes, no
let me
problem.
look again for the chart that you sent us.
No problem. Yeah. So those four is what we learned last time, right? G and D and this consonant. Using your tip of the tongue, scratch down from the behind of the
Yeah,
top to L
that
sound.
sounds like an L, if I'm
Exactly.
not wrong.
So yes, G and D and L sounds combined with the A. So first one is a ga. And Sarah, could you continue? Can you continue rest of it?
Oh yeah. The first one is ga. The second one is na, which means like me. And the third one is da, and the last one is la.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Oh, yeah. Na means me, actually. Very good. I or me. Very good. Perfect. Well done. Okay. Well done. Andrea, would you like to try? I will give you some hints. I will give you some tips here.
Yeah. I was just writing down like the sounds. um, is ga, na, da.
Uh-huh. Let's practice this one more time. So, Andrea, try to use the tip of the tongue. Tip of the tongue. Try to teach here and make a sounds like this. L, l,
Ra,
l. And you're gonna scratch down like a teach it and but they teach it like this way. L, l.
la,
Very good. L sounds with the ah. Like put together. La. Try to say.
la.
Exactly. Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay. Perfect. And continue. Maybe you know what? This time let's just start with a vowel. Yeah. What about this? Ah, wait. Let's do one. Yeah. You know what? Sorry. Let's do consonant. 4 more consonants, and after let's do with another vowels today. Okay. Next one. This one is a M sounds. So remember like this way. Square M, like that. Square M. And now let me teach you how to draw or write. That's how we say. Draw or write. Yeah. So let me go to here. Yeah. Okay. So one, as I said, always when you write, left to the right, top to the bottom. So left, one single line. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, like that. But as I mentioned, there's no problem if you write like this way. I'm just gonna draw the square. Yeah, no problem, no problem. If people can recognize it is a perfect square, well, yeah, it's a perfect, no problem. But what I'm teaching you, the writing order is like an official order that how to write Korean, like that. So as I said, this is an M sound. This is an M sound. So M with A. Let me ask to Sarah Flores. Yeah. What will be these syllable sounds?
Ma.
Very good, exactly. Yeah, all of you, all of them to say with me, ma.
Ma.
Ma, exactly. Very good. Ma. Like when you say mama, say ma. Exactly. Very good. Yeah. Now let's move on. Next consonants is this one. And writing down, this is the bay sounds. Bay sounds. And remember how it looks like. Square, but top tips are pointing up. Let's just start how to write first. So, yeah, let me start with here. Yeah. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Important part will be this part pointing out to heading to the top. Yeah. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a B sounds. So now let me ask to Andrea, yeah, about this syllable. What will be the sounds?
Ba.
Ba, exactly. Very good. Perfect. Ba. Everyone, all of the mute, try to say ba.
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 Exactly. Very good. Ba. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Continue. Let me erase it. Okay. Yeah. And the next consonant. Oh, by the way, we have another guest. Hello, Fernanda. Yeah. For Fernanda, let me just quickly explain. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. We just finished those consonants. We're gonna start from here, but no problem, Fernanda, because of this video we're gonna upload into YouTube so you can practice with the rest of them. But we're gonna start from here. Now it's your turn, Fernanda. So try to listen carefully and try to combine and try to guess what I'm asking. Okay. All right,
Okay,
everyone.
sorry for being late, Hans.
No problem, no problem. All good. Okay. So this consonant, remember, many students are saying this is a Lufttop consonant. Lufttop consonant. Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like. Yeah. So let's try how to write first. So this one is a S sounds consonant, by the way. Yeah. 1, 2. One more time. This is as sounds. One more time. 1, 2. Very simple, eh? Very simple. So this is as sounds. And the vowel, what we learned was this vowel is a sounds. So now let me ask to Fernanda. Fernanda, can you read this syllable?
Sa.
Exactly. Perfect. Sa. That's the pronunciation. Perfect. Perfect. Well done. So far, any question, guys? So far. All good?
Nope. All good.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Let's continue. Now, this one. This is a very interesting. Yeah. It's just a round. It's just a round. And the sounds of this consonant, remember, it is A sounds. Wait a minute. In that case, is that same as this vowel? Oh, I have to say yes. But why they put in the consonant actually? Yeah, because that's how Korean works actually. So here's interesting things actually. Eventually, we're going to learn how to read all those vowels, but now, once you guys knew this circle consonant is the same as A sounds, which means this will be the A sounds, written as A. Rest of the vowel will work same way, like this way. Let me show the vowel again. I'm going to use now those 3 vowels. I will just show you as a syllable first, used and syllable. Yeah, those 3. Yeah, so here, A, and next one, this one, and this one. Yeah. Okay. We're going to get to know how to make we'll get to know how to read those syllables, by the way, but what I want to show you is exactly same sounds as, not this one, sorry, this vowel. One more time. So let me make it bigger here, like that. So this syllable, exactly same sounds as just the vowel sounds, which means for this one will be same as these sounds. Don't misunderstand, by the way, what I'm putting the equal mark is talking about the sounds. So this one, now we can put this way. Yeah. So do you remember our the second session? I mentioned that you don't have to learn individually how to make a sounds for the consonant and the vowel. Just simply you can remember like this consonant was like a G sounds like that. Yeah. But now for this part, you see the reason why, because anyway, whatever vowel mixed with this circle consonant, it became the same sounds, which means what you need to do for reading a Korean syllable, instead, this O consonant, this circle consonant, you just put rest of them. How simple it is. How simple. Yeah. So normally when you learning Korean, the how to read a Korean, this is how we start actually. I recommend you start with this part first. Let me take out the pen again. Give me a second. Yeah. I recommend you start this part first. This part. Because of this part, you don't have to just directly read only vowel. You can just start with the actual syllables, yeah, and that is actual sounds with a vowel, the same as it. So what after that, what you need to do? Yeah, just adapting rest of the consonant sounds. Yeah, that's what we are doing so far. Okay. Question, anyone? So far, so good. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Now we just saw how to make a pronunciation for those consonants with the a vowel. Now let's dealing with those three vowel. Yeah. So next one is this one. This one. Yeah. Okay. So the sounds first. Everyone unlock the mute to try to say with me. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah. Yeah. Like in Spanish, you guys have a porridge that called a baya baya, right? I don't know
Vaya,
exactly.
vaya. Uh-huh.
Yes.
Vaya, vaya, Tacubaya.
Baya baya. Yeah, that baya. Yeah. Same sound. Baya baya.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. And I will show you how to write, by the way. Yeah. Let me take out my pen. This one. Yeah. Line first. Top to the bottom, long line. And after, short tips, 2 tips. And here is a writing beauty, by the way, how you can write a beautiful way. So you're going to divide the 3 different sections, actually, like that. And try to make it the same length each other. Again, when you draw the line, divide by 3. And each point, you're going to put the tips like this, those 2 tips, like that. That's how you write beautifully. Yeah. Okay, so let's try to combine with these G sounds. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this way. That. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 consonants. Yeah. So I hope you guys already wrote in your note what sounds was, and now you're gonna combine with this vowel. So start from Sarah. Sarah, can you start to read those syllables? Sarah Flores, by the way, sorry.
I don't know, it would be like, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. G with the yeah. Yeah, very good. Continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Continue.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, perfect. What about this?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Continue.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Sha, exactly. Very good. Very good. Perfect. Okay, Andrea, your turn. Oh, sorry. Go.
It's yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect.
That one that.
It's a bit tricky, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Try to say again. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. One more time.
Yeah.
Very good. That was a good. Yeah, exactly. Perfect.
Mia, Mia. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. S sounds. S sounds.
Yeah.
Sha. Perfect. Exactly. Well done. Well done. Okay. And Sarah Aguilar, your turn.
Sure. The first one is yeah. The second one is nia.
Perfect.
The third one is dia.
Mm-hmm.
The fourth one is lia.
Yeah, exactly. Very good.
The next one is mia.
Mm-hmm.
Via
Perfect.
and sia.
Yeah, exactly. Well done, Sarah. That was a perfect, beautiful. Well done. Okay, Fernanda, your turn.
Okay, the first one is kya,
Uh-huh.
nya,
Mm-hmm.
tia,
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
lia,
Yeah, perfect.
mia,
Mm-hmm.
bia,
Mm-hmm.
sia.
Beautifully done. Well done, Fernanda. That was a great, perfect, perfect. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Now, what about this actually? Now, I want you guys randomly, I'm just gonna give it 2-syllable randomly. Try to read it. Okay, Sarah Flores again. Yeah, your turn. Try to read those 2-syllable. Let's go.
Yeah.
Exactly, perfect. And Andrea, your turn. Let's go.
Sasha.
Exactly, perfect. And Sarah Aguilar, your turn.
Yeah, it's ma and mia.
Exactly, very good. And Fernanda, what about this?
Na, nya.
Exactly. Well done, guys. I'm so happy. Yeah, you guys are dominating right now. Very good. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Any questions so far? All good? Okay.
Okay.
Very good. And the next one. Now let's talk about this vowel. What about this? This one. Let me show you from here. Okay, this one. Yeah. Try to make a sounds with me. It's a oh.
Again.
Oh.
Oh,
Now started confusing, isn't it? Yeah.
Confusing.
Now try to listen carefully. I'm gonna read the first one and this third one together. Ah. Oh. One more time. Ah. Oh. You guys see the differences?
oh,
Uh-huh.
The second one, it's like an O.
Like an O. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Pretty much like a O, right? Yeah, yeah. But there's not clearly O in between A and the O. Like it makes it sounds like a oh. Oh. Yeah. I'm going to make you more confused actually. In the bands actually. Let's check all the single vowel. I'm just gonna read. I'm just gonna read and try to see some because yeah, vowels are very similar. So let's do this. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, you, e. In other bands, that was a sound. It is a very, very similar, each of them, isn't it? Yeah, each one of them, like a very similar, especially this a, o. Yeah, and when you started learning this one, yeah, you need to compare with the second one as well, like this way. Second one was a yeah, but this one was a yo. Now, let me tell you, the tips. So how you can make a better pronunciation? Yeah, here we go. So when you're trying to make sounds, make your mouth wide open. Make your mouth wide open. But when you make all sounds, try to make your mouth like a round and round, more roundy. Yeah. Sarah said it's screaming in Mexican. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the differences. Let's try to practice again. Yeah. So say with me, everyone, unlock the mute. Ah.
Ah.
Very good. Now say with me. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Very good, Fernanda. Oh. Yeah.
O.
Very good. Perfect. Now let me ask you, all of you, each one of them actually. Yeah. So try to read those syllables. Sarah Flores first. Let's go. Those two.
It was ga. Wait. What was the pronunciation of the second one?
The vowel sounds was a O. G
Ah.
with the
Go.
Go. Exactly. Very good. Well done. Ga, go. Perfect. What about you, Andrea? Andrea, I'm gonna mix the order. What about this? Try to read it.
Da. Da.
Exactly. Da and the da. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. And continue. Now, Sarah, again, that your turn. And this. What about this? I'm gonna also change the order. What about this? This one, Sarah.
The first one is like mo, and the second one is ma.
Exactly. Let me quickly check the chatting. The Fernanda said, now she understands why there are some expressions when speaking Korean. Yes, that is true. That is true, Fernanda. Yeah, exactly. Very good. Okay, Fernanda, your turn. What about this?
Bio.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Was a very good, was a very good. But what you made the sounds was a more similar as a yaw and the ya. Read with me. Bo,
Bo.
ba.
Ba.
Very good. Those two was a bia and the bia. You want to try?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Bia,
Yes.
the bia.
Bio y pia.
Exactly.
Okay.
This is we saw together, right? Like a ya sounds with the so bia. Yeah. Okay, like that. Very good. Yeah. So yeah, let's try to deal with a one more vowel. Yeah, one more vowel. What about this? What about this? Yeah, this one. It's a, say with me first, actually. It's a yaw sounds. Everyone, I'll lock them here to say yaw.
Yo.
Yo.
Very good. Very good. Now let me add it here. This syllable will be same sounds as this one. Yeah, yaw. Okay, let's try to learn how to write actually. I think I feel like I'm missing something for writing. This one was it? I'm missing how to write, right? Yeah, okay, sorry. Let me show that first. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with how to write O vowel. It's a very simple, guys, actually. Yeah. So you are going to start one long line, top to the bottom. And after, for the tips, you were right to the left. In this case, right to the left. Normally, we wrote as a left to the right, but this case, right to the left. One more time. 1, 2, like that. So let's try to combine with any random consonant. For example, like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Mhm. But as I said, for your writing, you can even write it like this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. No problem, no problem. There's a no problem actually. Just I'm gonna say this way: draw whatever you like. Yeah, no problem. If the like whoever see your syllable, if they can recognize, there's a no problem. Mhm. Just if I can give you another tips actually, when you write the consonant and when you write the vowel, make sure put the gaps on it. No attach. No attach. Yeah, that's the tips I can give it to you. Yeah. Okay, so that was all. What about the vowel? What it just saw? The was a reading as a yaw. Yeah. Also very simple. Yeah. You're going to start with one big line. 1, 2, 3. Or even you can go for 1, 2, 3. No problem. No problem. Yeah. And the reading is a yaw. That's how we say yaw. Yeah. Okay. Let's try to practice. Now, let me use more consonants. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Starting from here, let me copy one more time about those. Okay, here. Yeah. Now I'm going to add this O consonant as well. Yeah. Okay. All right, Sarah Flores, your turn. Try to read those 4 syllable. Let's go. One more. This one. Yeah, let's go.
It's da, ya, bo, and yo.
Perfect. That was a perfect. Great. I'm very happy. Well done. Well done. Okay, Andrea, your turn. What about this? I'm gonna mix it. Yeah, let's go.
The first one is bo. The second one is
As a sound with a yaw.
sho,
One more time.
sho.
Shaw. Perfect. Well done.
Then is yeah,
Yeah, exactly. G with a yeah. Perfect.
and ma.
Ma, exactly. Well done. That was a great. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, Sarah Aguilar, your turn. What about this? This one and this one and this one and this one. Yeah, let's go.
The first one is nya. The second one is yo. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
The third
perfect.
one is so, I think.
Exactly.
The last one it's
Exactly. Well done. That was also perfect. Good job. Good job, Sarah. That was great. Good job. Okay. I'm very happy. You guys are very smart. Exactly. I just thought you won, but you guys already dominating. Yeah, that was amazing. Okay. And Fernanda, your turn. What about those? Those things. Let's go.
Vio. Co. Do. No, dio. No, dia. And mia.
Yeah, perfect. And this one more time.
Dia.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. Oh, I meant to be writing actually this one. Sorry. Fernanda, can you read this one as well?
Da.
That perfect. Perfect. All of you, amazing. Well done. Well done. Perfectly well done, actually. Okay. So far we learned how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consonants. And we learned 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels. Yeah. All right. I think that will be the enough for today for sure. Yeah, because if I teach you more, it will be too much. I believe. Yeah. Or if you want to go more farther, try to check the recorded video. I actually made the sounds of all the vowels, right? Let me make it one more time. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, you, e. With all those vowel sounds, try to combine with a consonant what you learned so far. That will be, yeah, your extra subject. Any question?
No.
Nope.
No.
Yeah.